Little street rotted Roadster here to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1930 Ford Model A Roadster. ZZ4, small block Chev, power underneath the hood. Got aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake, headers. That is paired up with a Turbo Hydromatic 400, so automatic transmission, power steering. See the AC compressor underneath the hood. And towards the end of the video, we are going to take off this hood, check out that engine bay a little bit closer. I'll put up the top so you can see that. This is an all steel body. Let's take a look at the grille, radiator surround, of course grille guard actually I should say. Nice headlight buckets. There you kind of get an idea of that engine bay, and it looks good. Got some bright work and chrome and polished underneath there. Like I said, we'll check that out towards the end of the video, but if you want to see it in the still pictures, you'll be able to see it in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing wheels, the polished 5-spoke variety. Disc brakes up front. I believe it was tubular control arms too. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures of the underside. You'll be able to see exhaust, suspension components. Nicely upholstered bench seat. Look like Classic Industries or Classic Instrument gauge cluster. Tilt column. Like I said, we'll put up the top here in just a bit. That top can be completely removed. I'll kind of point that out when we put it up too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Fuel cell battery relocated to the rear trunk of the car, and then this has what appears to be the Jaguar rear end, so you'll be able to get a good look at that, and with the still pics also. So nice setup, looks like adjustable coilovers underneath there. Definitely take a look at those still pictures so you can see the underside and the suspension. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into street rods or maybe Model A's in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And as you can see, paint shows well in this one. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely a head turner. Let's take a little closer peek at this interior. I'm going to start it up so we can hear it run, and then give me a second. I'll get the hood off, we'll get the top up. We'll check that out. But first, let's fire this up. So I think it's going to be easiest with the camera just to reach in. Let's go ahead and see how easily it starts. See if we can take a peek at the gauge cluster. So tap's working. Temp gauge that has not moved. Doesn't surprise me. That was a cold start. Oil pressure, if you can see that. Gauge is working. There you get a good idea. Fuel gauge and volts, of course. Nice, simple, but effective interior. Door panels look good. No rips, tears, holes in the seating surface. And nothing crazy for exhaust over the top. Anything like that. Just nice sounding rumble. Dual exhaust, of course. Cool build. Alright, so let me pause this real quick. Let's get this hood off. Get the top up, and remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We will take this for a drive too. Jason's going to show you how it goes down the road. All right, so a couple things here. First of all, let's check out this engine bay. So ZZ4 small block Chev. That's a smooth runner too, and you can see nice looking engine bay. You want to take the hood off, show this off at a car show. A lot of chrome, a lot of bright work. As you can see, the headers. Power brake booster, all chrome, master cylinder. Did a quick fuel 4-barrel on there, Edelbrock intake, polished, serpentine belt system, electric fan. So nice looking engine bay, and you know what? Plenty of power for this Roadster, no doubt about that, with that ZZ4 HEI ignition. So good looking engine bay. And then if you got a little brief shower, or maybe you just want to get out of the sun, we folded up this top. So you can see what it looks like. So basically a camel colored fabric, tan fabric. Folds up easy, one person can do it up and down. Now of course, if you wanted to unbolt this bracket here on both sides and you could unsnap the top, it can completely come off too. So if you wanted that completely off, you got that option also. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, have some fun with it on a nice sunny day. No rips, tears, or holes. Like I said, you need it to keep you out of the sun or brief shower. Not a problem. Good looking engine bay. Cool street rod, 1930 Ford Model A. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A street rod. We do have a little different camera angle for you. Due to the fact that there are no windows in the doors where we usually put our camera. This is a really sweet Model A street rod. Bright red paint, looking good. Convertible top, and we do have it up today so I can mount the camera. Strong running car, nice smooth V8 in this Ford. Great acceleration and throttle response. We have a fuel gauge reading under 1/4 of a tank. The volts are over 13. Oil pressure 75. And the temperature about 180. Our speedometer is working well. Turn signal indicators do work. You just turn them off manually after you turn them on. Nice looking interior. Vinyl bench seat. Doors and panels to match. Very responsive steering. We have a tachometer mounted to the column, and that is working as well. Grand steering wheel. That is clocked a little bit to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. This is an automatic with a long stick mounted right to the floor. So an automatic transmission, very easy to drive. This corner is nice and flat. These cars weigh almost nothing, and with the V8 power, they're lots of fun. Nice firm shifts. I actually heard a tire chirp when it went into the next gear. Very fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this 30 Model A street rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.